How to go from interested to successful in affiliate marketing. If you've been looking for a way to earn more from your website, an affiliate marketing program may be just the ticket. By partnering with a company that offers high-quality products your visitors really want, you can bring in a steady income without much effort. This video can help you find the best program for you. Keep searching for high commissions. A company that only pays a tiny percentage is much less likely to value your customer/reader base. Look out for those that offer a commission in at least the double-digit percentage range. These companies are more likely to respect their clients, and by default, yours. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Use the internet to check the history of an affiliate program prior to signing on with them. It is so important to know who you are working with so you do not find yourself frustrated and angry about not getting the money that they owe you for selling their products. A great tip for success with affiliate marketing is to have web pages that are unique. Use these to promote the different products that you are marketing. You should aim to have a unique site for each individual product. You should always be sure to include reviews, testimonials, videos on these sites. Remember, affiliate marketing programs can be a great way to bring in more money, but you need to do your homework before you pick a program. By taking your time and finding the affiliate program that's right for you, you will make the most of this opportunity. Just remember what you've learned from this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.